right, episode 115 of Never Give Up Your Dreams and Be the Doer of Your Dreams. Together with my business partner, Dedet. Hi, Det. How are you?
I'm good. Thank you, Michelle. How are you?
Great. A bit busy today. There's so many lives today, but it's fun. It's fun. Okay.
Yes. Mhm.
So, before we are continuing our topic, today we love to share about what's unique about our online business. So, I guess there's there's so much thing to tackle with this, but we really give more information to the people who are already um, showing that interest in this business. So, would you like to introduce first that a short introduction?
Sure. Hello, everyone. My name is Dideth. I'm from Toronto, and I'm from originally from the Philippines. I've been doing this business for 4 years and enjoying it every day. And doing this chat with Michelle every Tuesday, supposed to be, but today is Thursday. Sorry, Michelle, to change the date.
That's the best fun thing because I am the person that I can adjust my time, and this lady said, Michelle, can we do that Thursday? Can we do it Wednesday? Can we do it in Friday? Which is really fun, right? But we love the way that we doing this in this business because we share to those who wanted to uh, join and start an online business too. So I don't need a little bit introduction of it. I don't need any more, right? I
Yep.
am going to our topic anyway. So what's unique about our business? I guess there's so many. Honestly, there's so many business model that we you can see online.
Mhm.
So right, like so many, like e-commerce or everything,
Yeah.
and you can see that. But we are talking about uniqueness. So when when I saw this business 3 years ago, I found out how really I am curious about what is this business all about because I joined with so many online already before,
Mm.
and when I'm joining that, it's really hard other e-commerce, right? Because you need to find your niche, you need to find everything. But in this community, when I join the community, we are I feel that it's different from other business because I don't need to bug people when you
Mhm.
join. I don't need also to ask people to join me. I don't need to sell. Oh, that's the number one the
Yeah.
uniqueness. And I said, oh, I don't need to sell. What kind of business you don't need to sell, right?
Mhm.
And also, when I found out this business, I have all you curiosity how it works because you know that when you are building e-commerce, you have competitors, right?
Yes. Mhm.
So we have a huge community now. Congratulations to our community. We reach out 200,000 people worldwide. Yeah, that was amazing. When I joined 3 years ago, we just have less 50,000, I guess, and or like yeah, it's less or more 50,000 now more. So imagine how rapidly we are
It is.
growing, and every day more, right? Every day more. So again, I back to my topic. When
Mhm.
joining to this community, you have the same business. You're doing the same business, but it's your own business on uh, how to get so in Tagalog lumago.
Yeah.
How
You
you can
can how you can expand. I know.
yeah, how you can expand, how you can grow fastly.
Mhm.
So it's not about that pyramid scheme. It's not because my business is my business. Didit business is her business. But we are here. We are doing live and we work together and we share. We share
Mhm.
every knowledge that we know in order to apply to each of us. So sometimes there is some strategy which she used that didn't work for me. Or I have the strategy sometimes that it didn't work for her. So imagine the uniqueness. You are your
Mhm.
very own unique business because
Yes.
it is in your you are the one who decide to make your own niche. And the unique with this business is you don't have any problem with sitting up because as far as I know, when I joined so many businesses before online, I need to sit up by myself. But this one, you don't need to sit up by yourself. We already have there. It's up to you on how you can select yours, and it's up to you on how you can make it beautiful, right?
Mhm.
So it's really great also and unique that everyone, if you need support, always there. So there's so many more. I give it to Didit.
Very
Good.
good, Michelle. Yes. Yeah, so there's so many uniqueness in our business. And one thing that you mentioned is the way we have the same business, but we're doing it different way. Like you have your own, I have my own, but we are in the same umbrella, right?
Mm,
So the unique about it is, as I'm just going to mention what you mentioned because that's what is on my mind as well, is the way you um, brand yourself. So you are it's an attraction marketing, so you're attracting who you are. Me and Michelle are totally different, so the uniqueness about that is Michelle will attract people like her, and I attract people like me. So it's not totally the same. People that are stay at home mom, they attract people that stay at home mom. Me, I have a full-time job. I work in an insurance company. I attract more people that are working in the corporate world and having multiple jobs. Michelle has her dogs, she lives in Spain. She always travels, so she attract those people. She has a husband, so she attract that type of uh, people, right?
yeah,
And it depends also on the brand that we have, right? So um, that is one uniqueness, the one unique about our business. And the other I would say is what unique about us compared to the other businesses online. We do have a mentorship and coaching part of the package. So whoever wants to join, you'll get a mentor and a coach. You don't get that when you join a business. You have to to hire a coach in order for you to know, or someone that will mentor you and coach you how to grow your business. But in this program, our business model, it's already included. So that is one for me that is unique, and that's one thing that I really join in this because it's good for me because I have no experience in running a business. So someone's there that would mentor me and coach me what to do. Uh, that's unique for me, right?
yeah,
Yeah, and the entire communities are there to help.
yeah,
Yeah, I think those are the two things that makes it unique. There's other things, but I think those, for me, those are the major two that makes us unique.
yeah. And I want to add, there's in this business you can meet different people
Mhm.
that living in different areas.
Oh
And
yes.
these people sometimes maybe you have at the same why and why it started, right? The story is just like we resonate our story with that people and we're sharing. And we're doing also that meetups. So imagine when doing that meetups and they shared those
Mhm.
motivational speech and they're sharing the idea. That was really great. I'm living in Spain, so I'm just looking. I know there's some business partners around here also. And I
Yeah.
was looking forward to meet that one day and showing you that this business is incredible. You can meet different people all over the world, and those like-minded people, they have that strength and um, resilient to continue this business. So
Hmm.
that's really great to share to everyone how unique this business is. There's some more when you are joining to our youth community. There's some more, and you can learn so much thing about this, right? Anything to add that?
Yeah, I think also, as you mentioned earlier, that we don't bug people to join here. We don't we don't sell. It's because there is that system that we have, which is unique, that built in. There's a system that does the work for us. So there's that power of automation, and I think that is why I love about this business, because I can do anytime my business, and it, or I'm going somewhere and it's still working. I don't need to be present all the time because there is a system that's working for me.
Yeah. And the flexibility of this business is
Mhm.
amazing. That anytime you can. This is the business on the go, right? So that's why, as mentioned, you can work wherever you want to if you are in a vacation and you're still ongoing, which is it's okay if you are going to sleep because your business is kept in running if you put it in plug in. So it's there's so much thing about how unique this business is. And that uniqueness is my reason also which I joined this business because I
Mhm.
never seen that before in other businesses out there. So
Yeah. And also, one thing is, it's not just about our business is not just about making money, it's also helping us grow as a
yeah,
person. They teach us about mindset, helping us about teaching us about law of attraction and all that stuff. So
yeah,
it's not just about making money, but also to be the best version of ourselves. And yeah, so that's one thing that I love about it. uh, they really emphasize that, to be the best, to live the life that we want, not just about financially, but also to live a fulfilled and happy life, which
yeah,
is to have peace, right? And
yeah.
to have joy in our life. Yeah.
Yeah, because this business first thing first is you need to change within you. So they keep teaching that, and I'm so glad. I guess there's so many things that have been changing this business, not only in my mindset, but the way that I look up before my life. So away negative things. Right. So I guess that's all we can share for today, right? Then.
That's all for me today. Thank you, Michelle, for being
So
so
see you.
flexible.
Yeah, hope to see you
Bye.
next Tuesday or Thursday if we can.
Yeah.
So that's all for today, everyone. Thank you so much, and don't forget our webinar today. If you have, you can visit to our website and get your link. So see you next week, everyone. Thank you. Thank you, Dad.
Bye.